I also love chants to create focus in my dance studio, classroom, or gathering. Here's one idea that I quite often use. I raise my hand to get the children's attention, and then I call out, when I'm on my toes, the mouth is closed. Or, here's one, up and down, the children echo, up and down, up to the sky, down to the ground. You may need to repeat a couple of times until everyone is quiet. Another amazing idea is my invisible ball game. I throw my invisible ball up in the air and throw it towards a dancer. While the ball is in the air, everyone hushes. When the ball is in the dancer's hand, everyone tries to be very quiet so they can receive the next thrown invisible ball. Such fun.